In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Calendar into a Squarespace page. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can place a live calendar exactly where you want it on your site. This is especially useful if you want visitors to view upcoming events, schedules, or availability without leaving your website. Start by opening Google Calendar in Chrome. Once you're in your calendar, go to the settings area and locate the calendar you want to display on your website. From there, copy the raw embed code for that specific calendar. Make sure you're copying the full embed code exactly as provided, since that's what Squarespace will use to display the calendar properly on your page. If you manage more than one calendar, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one before moving on. After that, switch over to the Browser tab where your Squarespace site editor is already open. Log in if needed and make sure you're in the site layout editing panel rather than the general dashboard, since you'll be placing the calendar directly into a page layout. Working from the correct editor view will make the next part much smoother. Now navigate to the exact page section where you want the calendar to appear. This part matters because the placement affects how the calendar fits into the overall design of your site. Open the page you want to edit, then move into the specific layout area where the calendar view should load. It could be on a contact page, events page, team page, or any section where a schedule makes sense for your visitors. As you're choosing the location, think about spacing and visibility. A calendar is usually easier to use when it has enough room to display clearly, so placing it in a wider section often gives the best results. It's also a good idea to consider what content appears above and below it so the page feels organized and easy to scan. Once you've reached the correct layout section, you're in the right place to continue embedding the calendar using the code you copied earlier. At this point, the key is simply making sure you're working on the correct page and in the exact section where you want the calendar to load, because that helps avoid having to reposition it later. With Google Calendar open, the embed code copied, your Squarespace editor ready, and the target page section selected, you've completed the setup needed for the calendar placement process.